Okay, people, let's do this.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive.
That was fast.
Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good.
This is actually rather peaceful. I want to sit a bit more back. Yeah, this is probably not a good idea, but it's okay. So, oh wow, this is a nice view. Wish I could show you, but it's strapped to my chest, not my head.
I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.
I don't know if you guys can see my shadow over there, but I'm on the side. I can see myself.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way.
It's waving. Water! Why is there water near me? They dragged me in the water. Okay, getting down. Thank you. Oh God.
Sarah has gone parasailing today, and she's done jet ski with her dad, and I really want to know how it went. She's super excited because she has not done this. Always it was an age issue. So let's see.
was it?
That was fun.
Yeah?
Wait, hold up, let us get on land first.
Huh?
Let us get on land first.
Yeah. That was good show, boo.
Thank you.
Very well done.
Thank you.
Yeah? Good piloting.
How was it? Tell me. Your hand. It's too much in the dark. I can't see your face. Your hand hurts.
Yeah,
Was it good fun?
you can see.
Oh, for
You
you.
continuously press the accelerate button.
Huh. And?
Oh yeah, it was fun. It was a little hard controlling, but I got the hang of it.
Better than the dinghy?
But
Never better than the dinghy.
Dinghy's easier.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
We are about to reach Phuket. We're going to anchor in the Ao Chalong Bay, and we're going to stay the other side because the winds have started shifting. Now the winds are from east this whole week, so we're gonna be like the opposite side of Long Bay. We need water because somebody finished all the water with her luxurious baths. So
Sky is really pretty today. Now the weather in Thailand is quite unpredictable, and like one moment it could be sunny, one minute it starts raining. So we're closing all the hatches, and when we come back the boat's going to be extra suffocated. Very nice pleasant feeling coming back to the boat when it's that hot in there. But now we're just gonna go around exploring town a bit, and yeah, it's also quite a busy anchorage here. Like a lot of boats are just going up and down and up and down. And shoes they're there now. Taken up.
तेरे चप्पल तो डिग्गी में है ना? So we're getting down, we're going for laundry. We're taking one jerry can for some fresh water. We shot in fresh water, so yeah. Can you just check if my chappals are there in that thing? Just lift it up like that only.
Yeah.
Cool.
Hello.
What's up?
You focus on driving. I'm doing the talking here.
You're doing the talking.
Yes,
Where
I
are we
am.
going?
We're going to Big Buddha.
In Phuket.
In Phuket.
Yeah, because there's Big Buddha in Koh Samui and other places also.
Yes. But we're in Phuket. We just sailed in today. We're in Aushalong now. And oh, that's a nice view. We're going to Big Buddha, and you can see it from here. And you can even see it at the anchorage we're at.
I know.
Here we are.
So we've reached here. We started in the morning from what was the island? Koh Naka Yai. We started from Koh Naka Yai at around 10 o'clock. Sailed to Aushalong Bay, where we anchored. Then we came out looking for where we can get fresh water and veggies and stuff like that, and realized that we've not seen the Big Buddha in Phuket.
We can see it from the boat, but
Yeah, we can see it from the boat, and hopefully we'll see the boat from here. So we are at the Big Buddha on top of the hill. Yeah, so that's the plan for today.
So we're here now, and they ask you to dress properly to respect the place. So
and if you don't have trousers, your legs are covered, then you can buy a sarong.
buy sarong 150 baht. Hello. What you looking at?
So I played spot the boat
Yeah,
and I won.
yeah, because you're the only player.
There she is.
Yeah, I don't know if I can. Yeah, somewhere there.
Oh, she's fine.
We can make out because we know where she is. So otherwise, there are like 100 odd boats, 150 boats there.
A lot of boats that are there, yeah.
Yeah, it's full. And we are here.
Don't they call them?
So this is where people write their wishes on these palms and put them around. Somebody's wished for a healthy baby, somebody's wished for good health of a loved one, and so on and so forth. Wishes just put here. You get a leaf, you write your wish, and you put it on it. Nice.